Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Wie sieht's aus? Seid ihr aufgeregt?
Ja, auf jeden Fall. Ein bisschen Angst habe ich schon, aber ich freue mich vor allem. Ja, ich bin auch
Und du?
aufgeregt. Ja.
Mega aufgeregt. Und was hast du?
Ja, ich bin auch aufgeregt, aber ich freue mich sehr. Also ich habe keine Angst. Ich bin auch aufgeregt, aber vor allem nur die Freude. Ich habe keine Angst davor.
Oh, da geht's gleich rein in den Windtunnel. So, und bist du aufgeregt, Stefan? Ja?
Richtig.
Freut ihr euch?
Ja.
Da geht's gleich rein in den Windtunnel. Und was sagt ihr?
Aufgeregt geht so, aber ich freue mich.
Und was habt ihr hier Leckeres zu trinken?
Ginger Ale und David Sprite.
Hey.
Schon ausgetrunken.
So, was sagt ihr? Seid ihr aufgeregt?
Boah, ja, total. Aber es ist auch super cool.
Ja. Und Tobias, freust du dich?
Ja.
Ja, gleich geht's los, Kilian. Wie stehen die Aktien?
Gut.
Ja. Sagt ihr, seid ihr aufgeregt?
Ja, sehr.
Ja?
Ja, ich auch sehr.
Ja, dann geht's gleich rein in den Tunnel.
Ich will doch noch fliegen.
Bist du aufgeregt?
Ja.
Ja?
Du? Aufgeregt. Du? Sehr aufgeregt.
Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Ja, heller, sportlich.
Flugbereit.
Jawohl.
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so bright, so bright. Don't come and try to shed some of this light, no. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shawty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know we ballin' all winter, all summer. Jewelry around my neck is lightning, but I'm all thunder. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it. Bring a friend and come along. Don't be taking too long. The vibe's too strong. If you don't know how to move, then we moving on. Ain't no way rhythmic feet up in this place. If you can't catch the feeling, then get out the way. I've been reeling and fish from the lake. They keep saying I'm down to earth, but I'm really out of space. All these women aliens, super foreign, so exotic. Hop in the Mercedes Benz, and I got them crushing like ice pouring the bub. It's overflowing on us. You drop it, then pick it up. I think I'm falling in love, but shawty, this isn't what you probably thinking it was. It's a vibe out, cooling it for the weekend and such. You gon' find out once you come on and bring me that up. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it.
Home.